Well, my boys, or you all, hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today, I'm going to show you updated spike system. Look here, the arrow is appeared front of you. Open a deal on Crush 500, and the stop loss is manually 3 candles. So once the arrow appear, open a deal and wait for the spike. So we are following here the arrow signal. The indicator will automatically show you the signal before a spike where to place the trade. This stop loss always 3 candles. Once the arrow appear, open your trade and wait for maximum 3 candles. If there is no any spike, go and close your trade and wait for next signal. Indicator have very special algorithm and also very awesome strategy behind this. Indicator always give us good signal. Now look here, we are waiting for a spike. We have a stop loss of 3 candles on this trade. So after the signal, this is the third candle. And look, here is the spike. So this is the accuracy of the system. Our trade is in profit. You can lock your profit and